أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Ameen, summa Ameen. Subhanallah. What a beautiful dua is this, all right? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear brothers and sisters here. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and good. Kindly make use of the chat box, dear sisters and brothers. I want this to be an interactive session, inshallah. So, hope you all are doing well and good. Hope you all are in best state of health and iman. Inshallah, bismillah ta'ala. May Allah grant you all afiyah. Ameen, summa Ameen. Okay, Alhamdulillah. We are into the day 10th of this editing course, mashallah, Alhamdulillah. Almost we have reached towards the end of this course, right? We are heading towards the end of this course. We are just left out with our training sessions, inshallah, that will begin from tomorrow. And today's class is an important thing we are going to discuss in today's class, inshallah. I want you all to be very attentive and inshallah grasp most of the knowledge that is given here, inshallah. So let's begin anything and everything. We are going to start with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Please rectify your intentions that you're going to seek Allah's pleasure through this, inshallah, so that you are going to serve the deen of Allah through this and you're not doing any work against the deen of Allah, inshallah. So I want you all to make this editing a halal editing, inshallah. So the content that you create, inshallah, by the will of Allah, let it be the halal content that you create, inshallah, and not the haram content by adding the haram steps, so that so that the content that you have created be a sadqa jariyah to us all, right? Inshallah ta'ala. So let's try and strive to edit a content that will be beneficial for the mankind, inshallah. So because these are the things that will be available in all internet, even after our death. Okay, so these things should give the evidence, should give the shahada towards us, with us, right? They should not stand against us on the day of judgment. They should not, these editing things, they should not come and stand against us when we are taken into account, right? So with this attitude, with this, what we say, with this intellect, please create the halal content, inshallah. Have a thrive to create halal content, inshallah, dear sisters and brothers, inshallah. Hope to see you all creating the beautiful content in future, inshallah. I'll be helping you throughout in this journey, fi sabilillah, inshallah. Whenever you're gonna work for the Islamic editing or something like that, I will be there to help you throughout this field, inshallah. Whenever you're stuck up in anything, I will help you out. Okay, so you can take my help anywhere in this journey of video editing. Fine. So alhamdulillah, what we will be studying in yesterday's class, dear sisters and brothers, I want you all to just type in the chat box so that everyone here gets to know what was dealt in yesterday's class. Come on, please type. I want this to be an interactive session, please. Yes, it was about the green screen effect again. It was about the most important layers, two important layers. What were those? Yes, the sticker layer as well as the text layer, right? So effect layer, yes, effect layer, the sticker layer, and the text layer, right? The text layer was discussed. So you have beautifully created the content, mashallah, alhamdulillah. So the class was delayed by 5 minutes. I was checking all of your homeworks and it was excellent. Barakallahu fiki, dear sisters and brothers here. Alhamdulillah, I have added your content, uploaded your content on my YouTube channel as well, and also I have requested the admins of the reminder to upload some of the content that I wanted to upload it there, because it was a kind of Islamic content I wanted to upload it there. So alhamdulillah, you got it. Some of the videos have been got approved there. Inshallah, if you create such of content that you want to share on the larger platform, you can just let me know. I will, inshallah, you can just send it to me. Inshallah, we can just advertise there, or we can promote there, so that it will be a source of the rewards, so that it will be included in our Sadqa Jariyah project, inshallah. So what was the homework for yesterday? it was regarding the text that I had given. Mashallah, alhamdulillah, it was excellently done, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, so we are going to learn about something new today, inshallah. So I want you all to be ready with the two devices. I want you all to practice along with me, inshallah. Today, inshallah, the thing that I'm going to teach you, it will give your editing, it will take your editing to another level, inshallah. It's the highest point where we can study in your smartphones is the highest point of editing, fine? So that thing is nothing but animation. How you're going to animate things. For example, today's homeworks was excellent. But if you would add this, I want you all to open up the same project that you created for the homework, okay? Because I want you all to do it along with me now, inshallah, again. So the project that you have created, I want you all to open that up, and you are going to do it along with me, inshallah. So we are going to study something known as animation, okay? This is the key frame that we are going to discuss. This animation, if we add it to the text layer, if we add it to the any layers, for example, the photo layer, the video layer, or something like that, this looks great, okay? This looks great, inshallah. I'll teach you this new technique, inshallah. I want you all to practice along with me. So I want you all to be attentive throughout the session. First thing, you all have to concentrate throughout it. And if any doubts, you can just text me here in the chat box, inshallah. I'll be helping you out throughout this session, fine? So let me just quickly share my screen so that you all will start editing along with me, inshallah. Are you all ready with the KineMaster open? Dear sisters and brothers, please type yes. Let it be an interactive session, inshallah. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. So this is the KineMaster application. Some of you have told me that they have lost the KineMaster without the logo. And you all to just uninstall it and install it. And one more thing, dear sisters and brothers, when you're practicing, even if you have the watermark, do not worry, fine. But while you're into the pro editing or something like that, inshallah, you can get it removed easily, because you will have so many mod versions available throughout the internet, fine. You can find so many on the Telegram itself. Just go on the Telegram and search for the KineMaster application, the modified version of the KineMaster application. You will find the modified version of the KineMaster available on even the YouTube channels and also on the web browser. Go and check it on the web browsers. You will have so many of the modified versions, but the modified version that I had given is the latest version for you all. Probably some of you have put it on auto update or something like that, so it is updating and you are losing the copy of the watermark there. You're losing the watermark less copy, okay? So I just wanted to give this update to you all, okay? So the next thing, what was created in yesterday's class, yes, sisters and brothers? You remember? It was nothing but we added a lower third and we just created something like Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, right? So Alhamdulillah, you all have done it excellently. The homeworks were excellently put up. MashaAllah, Barakallahu Fiki. I just want to give a side note to you all, how you have to edit the content that I've given. But how much, can you all type, how much time did you take to edit the content that was, edit the homework that was given yesterday? Please type how much time did it take to edit that video? Please type. Yes, dear sisters and brothers. What was the time? 45 minutes? 1 hour? Okay. What more? Yes, yes. Keep it coming, dear sisters and brothers. I want to see what was the time that it took. Okay, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Okay, Alhamdulillah. What more? More. Come on, keep it coming. Alhamdulillah. I've received most from most of you. Probably 7 to 8. Alhamdulillah, I've received by now. Okay, Alhamdulillah. So, okay, it was a 30-second thing that you had took 45 minutes for. If it is for 5 to 6 minute project, then it would take more of it, right? So I want you to just be a pro in it. How will you be a pro in it? By practicing, and you will also learn techniques when you're just developing more of the projects, when you're editing more of the projects. For example, probably when you had to do 5 to 10 fonts to write, 5 to 10 text to write, what you all have done is nothing but you took different text layer. One time you imported the text layer, another text layer, another text layer. No, it is not how it works. What you all have to do is take a single text layer. Okay, just I'm teaching you some of the tricks how you have to do. Take a single text layer. For example, this is the text layer with you. I'll put it throughout, okay? Put it throughout the video. This is an important trick, dear sisters and brothers. Please listen carefully, okay? So you have to put it throughout the text, okay? Throughout the video that you are inserting. For example, you want a 30-second video, put it throughout. For that, you make an edits, okay? Most of you have not given in animation and out animation to the videos. It was not looking that great. So I want you all to put this now, okay? Open up your homework project now and put the fade option there, put the any option in animation, do it, okay? Come on, do it along with me. Are you doing it along with me? Please type yes. Give an in animation there, then give an out animation there, okay? The project, the same project that you have created yesterday, fine. The another thing that I want to teach you all is in animation, out animation, everything you have to give it, okay? For a single line, okay? What was the this one was probably it's my WhatsApp or something like that. I'll just check it out. Okay, just a moment. Inshallah. I'll get the text ready so that I'll just insert the same text here. I'll just show you how you can use different tricks to just get the videos, get the beautiful copies of the text, inshallah. So first thing what you have to do is you have to import a single text layer, fine? Single text layer throughout the video, fine? Throughout the video, and make edits to single text, fine? Single text. Then you have to do different things. And then do you know copy paste works? Excellent. Do you know the copy paste, how it works? I'm just copying this. See here, this was the homework that was given, right? Let me just copy this app. Okay, so I'm gonna how we have to do is we are just gonna paste it. So for example, this is the font that I have obtained. For everything you have to have same if you want to have same font styling or something like that, you just can make use of this one. Okay, let it be here. So I'll just gonna remove this Bismillahirrahmanirrahim so that I'll add the text layer to this. See now how I'm gonna adjust this for a single single thing. I'm adjusting it all, and then it will be for all of it. Just see how I'm gonna do this. I want you all to make use of this trick. Fine, dear sisters and brothers, inshallah. Okay. That's the corner pin. Okay, for the single text, I'm making this changes. What you have to do, I'll teach you in the next thing. Okay, so this is for the single text. The font is not so appropriate. Let me change the font to anything like, okay, this is probably okay to go with. Okay, then we have neon borders. So just invert it up. Okay, then okay, are you following along with me? Bismillah. Okay, so this is the first text, and I have made some changes to this. And now how you had to do the homework was you just had to copy the text that was given. Come on, select this all and paste this whatever was given. Okay, first words, perhaps your text. Okay, perhaps your test. Okay, then what I have to do? Just copy it all, cut it out. Only you need this much, right? Okay, perhaps your test. Okay, this was the first thing that was there. Okay, now read it until what spot you can read. Perhaps your test. Come on, full stop it here. Now what you have to do is for this text layer, just click on the split. Okay, click on the split. Fine. After splitting it up, put it up there like the next word. Edit, put the next word, select all, paste. Then we have your sadness. Okay, appearing there. It will look excellent because in animation and out animation was already assigned, correct? Then you read this much, your sadness. Okay, full stop. Okay, while doing the projects, dear sister and brothers, what I do is, please remember what I do is, I switch off the internet connectivity. Okay, I want you all to switch off the internet connectivity while doing the projects because it will be very easy. For example, now it is taking my internet connection, so it's actually delaying for a while. So my KINEMASTER is a bit slow in running. So I want you all to just switch off the internet connectivity and do your projects. That will work excellently. Probably if you get the ads also, you won't get the ads if you switch off the connectivity. Fine, so this just takes 5 minutes to do this. Okay, please learn such tactics, inshallah, so that you will generate for now what I say is I can create 4 projects in 1 hour, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, so I just take 15 minutes to create 1 project. So this is what is the thing, the tricks and tactics that you all have to learn, inshallah. You will all develop this habit once you all have become a pro by practicing and practicing, inshallah. So with practice, you can achieve this level of the editing, inshallah. So probably this is too much for the text here. So let me change the in animation. Let it be a fade up. Okay. So how to chop it up like this is editing it and out. So let me just see what I can do it here and getting your okay, your ranks in Jannah. You can just keep so it probably takes you more than just a 5 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes to do this all, okay? But you have to have a good setup, right, dear sisters and brothers? You have to have a good setup, and also okay, you have to read it and then give a split there, and then again you're gonna make your own, make it in your own way. Fine. So select all, paste. Okay, Alhamdulillah. You all use the stickers also. That is also good. Alhamdulillah. That also looked very great. The content with the stickers also was great. And also some of the students, Alhamdulillah. One of the student had done it with the background also. It was looking excellent, dear sister. Alhamdulillah. So that was also great. Yes. So hope you all are finding it good to go with the projects, right, dear sisters and brothers? Did you all find it easy to do the homework, or were you finding any difficulty there? Kindly type. Yes, so it was taking much time, right? So this is an easy way, dear sisters and brothers. Please remember this easy way. Okay. So what I do is you just have to give a splits. Okay. You can give the splits beforehand itself. I'm giving the splits now as I'm working with the project. I wanted to know how much is the content. So what you all have to do is you have to remember this trick, small tricks. Okay. This 5 minutes, it takes not less than 5 minutes to do it all. Okay. You just give the splits, done, then give a split here. What we do is we just give a split beforehand itself, and then we just put up the text wherever I want. Okay. And also remember what this thing if you switch off the internet connectivity, it will work excellently fine. It will move it within a second or something as such. Okay. Okay, alhamdulillah. So this text layer actually bothers much, like this much text I have to insert. No, it is not. It is not at all difficult when you make it easy by yourself. Okay. So this is the thing. And also I told you a trick with the hours of editing. For example, 3 hour editing if we have. For example, yesterday's video, I had so many glitches there. Like my voice was not working there. So while editing that, what I had done was I just converted that 1 hour video into just 10 minutes video by speeding option, right? Hope you all remember the option that I had told you in yesterday's class. What was it? The speed up option, right? What was in the previous class I had discussed, right? What about the speed up option? Why is it the speed up option is used for the video editors? Can anyone type that? Why is it used? Okay, so this is it. I just wanted to do the homework for you all so that you all will find it good to go with. How we can just start off with making such projects. Alhamdulillah. You all have done excellently. Barakallahu fiki, dear sisters and brothers. Okay. So because it is the corner pin is used here, somewhat the glitches might be available. So probably I don't make use of the corner pins. Okay. So this is how it's now. Just play it and see. It looks excellent. Let me just see. Perhaps your test. It looks great with the sound that you have put up, right, dear sisters? Yes, alhamdulillah. Okay, the speed up option, alhamdulillah, you have typed out why the speed up option is used, right? Okay. Just check now the chat box. Okay. So this is it. You can make the final touches to the video as such. That's all. Okay. Come on. Just play it up and see how beautiful it looks. Perhaps your test. Perhaps your sadness. Perhaps your there's something I'm left out, right? Our means of living. So I want you all to read it once before going out. For example, if before going to the next test, you have to read it. For example, it does it take the proper time to read for a weaver? You have to match the reading speed of a weaver. Okay, so this needs more time to read. So give it a more time to read and then rearrange this. Okay, this is all stuff you can just do it at the end. Okay, You can just do it at the end, or also when you're doing itself, when you're just splitting it up, you have to be very careful. I wasn't careful because I was talking with you also. This is the important thing that you all have to remember, fine? And also, if you want to match two contents in a line, for example, if you want to have two texts in a line, yes, then copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Yes, I do the same thing, dear sister and brothers. Here I want you all to do this. For example, I write all of my stuff on the WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp, all of it will be ready on the WhatsApp. What I do is I just copy the content here. The content from the WhatsApp will be copied, and just go to the KineMaster, and what I do is I just insert it from the text. Okay, go to the edit option, and just click here and put it all here. Okay, so for example, I copy it and keep it on my clipboard. It will be available on my clipboard. So here it is. So okay, so if I want, I'll take whole of the text, and if I want, I'll take whatever the text is important for me. So you can keep all of the options that are available in your clipboard. It will be available in your clipboard, so you just can copy it out from there. Okay, so so this was it for this one. Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, hope you all found it easy to go with, right? I think it just took me 5 minutes now by talking with you. I would have done it within 2 to 3 minutes, fine. So alhamdulillah. So this is how you all had to edit the yesterday's content. Now we are gonna see some important topic, dear sisters and brothers. Let me just show you how we are gonna start off with. Okay. Just a moment. I want you all to see a new project, or for example, if you have the same project, you can start with that also. But I'll come to this project later. Okay, we are just gonna start with the creation of new project. But it could be a bigger one, so that it seems good to see. Okay, can we just take this as a layer? Okay. Okay, you have a doubt from yesterday's class to increase the text size in the stickers? Okay, I'll just show you, inshallah, after the class, dear sister, at the end of the class. Please remind again, inshallah. Okay. Sorry, let this be not base. Okay, I didn't want this to be the base. I wanted a black screen to the base. Okay, I just want you all to put a black screen on the base, please. Image assets, black screen on the base. Okay, you can just make use of any of it. Fine. Come on. Black screen on the base. Okay. So then we have something called as the layer. Okay, you can insert any layer. Okay, remember the animation thing, the sticker thing, and whatever the I mean green screen thing and animation thing. These two important things are only applied for the layers, right? Yes, sisters and brothers, do you all know this important thing? Green screen, animation, the corner pin are only applied for the layers, right? For example, I'm importing this one. Yes. So okay, this is being imported. Any of the green screen video. Come on, try it with this one dinosaur thing itself. Okay, you can just put any of the green screen video. It's just not for the green screen video. You can apply any of the any of the videos or something like that. For now, let me just apply because there's an animal. I want to start off with an animation with that animal. Fine. Come on. So this is an animal here. So how to remove the green screen? Come on. Yes, sisters and brothers. Start off. How to remove the green screen? Type in the chat box. Chroma key. I have to go to the chroma key. What is the next option that I have to do? Enable the chroma key. What is the next option that I have to do? Toggle this up. Key color. Yes, click color editing. Toggle this up such that only the content is seen and no green thing appears anywhere. So give it a more. See here. No green thing is visible now. Fine. So now what is this video doing is, see here. Now let me just play. It is on the same line. It is moving. Fine. I want this video to move in such a way that this dinosaur is coming into the screen from this side, and it will come into the screen and it will move out of the screen. Okay, this is called as an animation thing. Fine, this is called as an animation thing. How you all have to give this animation is, inshallah, will be taught. For example, okay, now this is something here. Okay, I want you all to just look into the left side of your screen, your sisters and brothers. Okay, now you all have to just look into this button. Okay, this is called as a animation key. Okay, this is an animation key, dear sisters and brothers. I want you all to just click on it. Click on it. It's a very simple key that is available there. Fine. When you click on this, there's a simple key that is available. Fine. See what happens with this is, for example, this is here. Okay, this is out here. Okay. When you click it here, you can just arrange it here. Fine. Now let me just move it to the right, and I click it here again, and let me put it here. Okay. Let me put it here. Let me put again a plus, and let it put it here, and again a plus at the end, and let me put it here. Okay. If I play this video, doesn't it look great? Yes, sisters and brothers. Okay, I'll just tell you again. Wait for a minute. I'll show you how you're going to start with it. Okay. I'll show you again, inshallah. Okay. Was it interesting to watch? Come on, what did we do? We just did an animation. Okay. In some of your things, you will have two buttons there. Okay. You will have two buttons. When you click on this this option, this animation option, you will have two things here. One is a plus here, minus here. Do you have something appearing here? If it's appearing in it, then that's great. If it is not appearing, then this is fine. If you have something appearing in this place, it's fine. You have something appearing on this place. Okay, there will be a plus button and a minus button. That's all. Okay, you don't have to worry about that. I'll teach you how you're going to start off with. Okay, for example, this is a video that you have, dear sisters and brothers, that that was already there. Let me just redo all of it, undo all of it. I'll delete and do it because that would be an easy option, because undo will be a bit late, right? So get the layer inserted. Okay, I want you all to concentrate now. Please insert it on your own timelines, dear sisters and brothers. Done? Are you all done? Come on, follow me. Follow along with me. Now you're gonna place it outside the screen. Okay, thoda to visible hona chahiye, because you have to bring it from the outside till the end, inside, right? Or let me just make it a bigger screen so that I can just put it out of the screen. It is out of the screen now. Fine. Okay. Now what you have to do from the in the timeline, please go to the timeline, dear sisters, and move it to the any second. For example, let me move to the 8th second, 9th second. Okay. Now click on the plus button that is here. Where is the plus button? Control bar, pay the 4th option. The plus button. This is an animation key that you have. Okay. Are you all following along? You're going to any second. For example, I'm going to the 1 second there. Now I have to click on the plus button, stay there, and move this video wherever I want to move this on the 9th second of my video. Okay, I want to see this appearing on the 1st second of the video on this position. Now what I do, now again I go through this one, my timeline, and again I click on the plus button. Okay, and I move it towards this one. Okay, and next again I'm going to the end of this one. Okay, end of this timeline. Again I click on the plus button, and again I'm just moving this one outside of my screen. Okay, now when I go and play this, this beautifully appears like it is coming inside the screen with this one. Okay, it's more just moved out. Did you all find it interesting to do? Yes or no? Okay, you can animate any of the layers with this, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, it's not just this video. You can animate any video, you can animate any text, anything. For example, you see some content animating. For example, if in the breaking news and all, you see the text coming inside this and the text moving outside this. You can do it, do all of this stuff with this, only with this plus thing. Okay, this plus key works wonders. Okay, it works wonders, but it is only applied for the layers. Remember this option only for the layers that is available. Fine. Hope you all are finding this interesting to go with, right? The animation keyframe. Again, I'll show you. See how beautifully we have put this video inside the screen and made it move out. Okay, so the next thing here, alhamdulillah, I'm going to teach you out with the other things, like this was for the, okay, dragon is coming not forward in your this one. Should I teach you again? This is an important aspect. You learn with practice, dear sister. Okay, has everyone got this correctly? Please type yes. I want to hear yes or no, because for me to repeat, I want to see if you all are getting it right. Amira Qureshi, no. And what more? Yes, dear sisters and brothers. Yes, alhamdulillah. Yes, yes. Yes, please type yes if you all have understood. Your animation button is not activating. Dear sister, what you have to do is you have to click and move it inside first. Kahan pe aapko, where you have to give the animation, you have to go there and then you have to activate it. Fine. Sister Shamshad Khalid, please move into the first second and then click on the plus. Only then it will appear. Try it out now. Did you get it? Alhamdulillah, got it now. Yes, understood. So it won't be appearing at the start of it. Okay. Okay. For the sister, someone who asked. Okay. Amira Qureshi, right? Okay, I'll just show you again, inshallah, and those who have just joined now, I'll just show it for them as well. So please concentrate and listen again because this animation key is very important. This will be very useful. For example, the content that you have created yesterday, you can make a wonderful content with that, dear sisters and brothers. I was just looking into some of the contents and I was telling this would look great with the animation thing. Okay, so I'll just show you with this animation now. Okay, go to the animation, take any of this. Now, for now, I'll take something different. Fine. For now, I'll take this arg wala photo, the firework. Fine. So I want to this fire to move throughout the screen. Okay. Okay. You can also make it rotate, your sisters and brothers. There's something important here. I'll tell you how you have to start off with. Okay. Okay. This is the fire thing that is here. Okay, there was someone's editor's name. So let me just trim left to this and I'll reorder it to start from the start. Okay. Okay, so this is the fire that is here. I want to make it appear like, okay, let me just first remove the green screen out of it. Where is the green screen, dear sisters and brothers? The chroma key, right? The key, how to key out the green color? It is by using the chroma key. Important aspect, very important, fine. So let me just make some changes. Has the key color been perfect? You have to remember that you have to have a perfect key color to make it appear perfectly, right? So let me just toggle this up properly. So probably this is fine for now because we're just dealing with an animation and not with this green screen stuff. So what you have to start off with, okay, first it has to appear from the down. For example, I don't want it in the screen now. I want it to appear later. यहाँ से आ रहा है, so let it be outside the screen. Next, what you have to do, you have to move to the seconds where you want it to appear now. For example, 2 second wala thing you are making it appear. Green screen won't extend, your sister. If it is a photo only, then it will extend. Okay, because it's a video of just 3 seconds, it won't extend. You have to copy it again and again. For example, this green screen is of 53 seconds. This video won't extend. Why it won't extend? Because it's just 53-second video that is there. If you want to make it appear for more seconds, just duplicate it and keep. Okay. The dinosaur wala thing you were discussing, probably it was a 5 seconds or it was for 10 seconds only. So we cannot extend that. We can just duplicate it. Okay. So for now, I'm just going to teach you how you have to bring this inside the screen and move it outside the screen. Come on, what you have to do is you have to go to the seconds where you want to bring it in. So it is 7th second, click on the plus button and now arrange this video inside the where you want to make it appear. If you want to make it appear here, arrange it here. Now again, what I want to make it appear at the 15th second is I want to enlarge this up. How to enlarge this up? Let me just go to the 15-second, clicks on the plus button and I want to make this fire zoomed out. Okay, let this be this much. Okay, and then for the next 30 seconds, here I want to make it appear like, you have to click on the plus. Remember the plus option for animation. Okay, this is an easiest tool. This is an easiest editing app that you come across, inshallah. So this is very user friendly. Even if you are a beginner in the mobile or something like smartphone usage, you will find this application very interesting. Fine, very interesting and easy going. Okay, these were the testimonials of the students that were in my previous batches. Okay, Alhamdulillah. So if I just play this, this looks great. See how it looks here is, it appears, see here, it's appearing till the 15th second, okay? It delays and appears into the screen and then it moves out of the screen. See, it's appearing in the zoomed fashion, okay? Hope you all have understood how you're gonna animate things, right? Okay, we are discussing more of the animations in upcoming sessions and more. Your sisters and brothers, do not worry about this stuff, fine? So come on, this is done. Now I'm going to show you with something different, fine? I'm going to show you with the text, okay? Come on, let me put a text layer, for example. Or let me put a logo, okay? Let me animate a logo and show you. Come on, are you all doing it along? Please type. I want to hear yes. I want to hear n number of yes now. Are you all doing it along with me? Alhamdulillah, dear sisters. Okay, how to give a circle to this a logo that we have? Mask it up, round it. Yes. Okay, alhamdulillah. Now this is the logo that I have. So this is the cropping done perfectly. This is done. Okay, this is the logo that I have. I want to animate my logo. I want this logo to appear into my screen. First thing, let me just give an in animation to it. Okay, in animation, matlab, let it be a rubber stamp. This I prefer a lot. Okay, in animation is done. Okay, next thing, I want this logo to like what I say. It should be whatever I want. Let me just apply the effects now. In animation, not animation. First, you have to do is just slide up or something like snap up or snap closed. In animation, out animation, you have to give, but the overall animation thing you can just give it with this one, okay, with the animation tool that we have. Correct? Okay, what is the better here? Snap inwards. Okay, this is better. Now this logo is appearing inside. Okay, so I want to give a animation to this. So how to animate this, dear sisters and brothers? We want a tool. So let it be here, okay, to let it appear into the screen. So let it be here at first, okay. Then let me just move to the 5th second, okay. On 5th second, let me just put an animation. First click on the plus button, plus animation button there, okay. Now let me increase the size here and keep it here, okay. See how it will appear after I show you the results of this, okay. Then I'll put a plus again, okay. I want to increase this in size again, okay. Then I put a plus again, plus for the animation key. Then I'll decrease this, fine, decrease this and keep it at the center, okay. Then I put a plus again. Dear sisters and brothers, please watch it carefully now. I'll put a plus again and rotate it here, fine. Then I'll put a small plus again. I'll rotate it here. I'll put a small plus again. I want you all to try it with me. Please try it with me. Put a plus again. Okay. Let me put a plus again. Hope you all are understanding this concept. Put a plus again. And let me just move it till this one. And the end will be like put a plus again and put it here. Now let me show you how this results out. Come on. You are moving your own logo in your with your own way. Whatever you want to make it, you are just going to make it appear like as such. It is a speed up option that you can apply. See how beautifully it went. So can you just handle the logos with your own hands here? Yes, you can. You can make the text appear in that way. You can make anything appear in your own way. For example, you want the text to bounce and come inside. For example, if you want to make this bounce out of the screen, let me just subtract all of this. How to subtract all of this? Subtract all of this out. Okay, so just click on that subtract button. Go to the playhead, subtract there. Go here, subtract there. Or you can just do an undo option. That looks better than doing this, right, dear sisters and brothers? Are you all finding this tool interesting? Please type yes or no, because this works great, fine. You know, you can make a cartoon. Yesterday I was watching a cartoon with my kid, and they were actually doing this thing. What they were just making things animate. For example, they had something like um, um, they had just a framework kind of thing in which they were animating the things, and they were giving the voiceover. This thing is moving here, this thing is moving here, and I just felt that they were making use of the KineMaster application only, fine. So you just can look into the stuffs on the YouTube and more. You will have such content created with this animation tool itself. You will have so much. You will come across so much content that is created with this tool of the KineMaster, fine. So just just try to watch some YouTube stuffs and see how you can develop more of the animating content, fine. Inshallah, you can just be a pro out of it, okay. So first thing, it was here, let it be outside the screen, okay. Then let me make it appear inside. See how it is coming in, right? Then let me make it appear, go out of the screen, okay. It is out now, okay. Then let me go here and click on the plus again. Let me make it, let me make it, get back, or let me make it, okay, moving here, with a smaller version of it. Okay, and then let me make it appear at the center with the greater version of it. Okay, see how it looks. Okay, you just see the end product, inshallah, end of the video. So you can just make this stuff move here with the shortening of it. So this is all the things that all of the video editors apply with their this one. Actually, they are this one logo will be moving throughout the thing. Do you have you all seen throughout the video? It will be moving. Sometimes it appears upwards, sometimes it appears downwards. How did they do that? They just make this stuff. This is the thing that I made at the first, how it should come in and how it should leave the screen. This is in the breaking news and stuff. You have created this one, fine. You can create this one. See here, it is like a ball moving up and down, right? Yes, sisters and brothers, do you all find it interesting? Please type yes. Do you want to create such content? Inshallah, tomorrow's homework would be the same thing. Inshallah, I want you all to create a beautiful content with this. Put in your creativity and let me see how well you will create with this animation stuff. Okay, this is very easy tool. This is not complicated. If you go into the editors of the video editors on the laptop, or what we say, the PC, then those will be very complicated for you to understand. You just have a single tool here, dear sisters and brothers. With this tool, you can just play around and create a beautiful and excellent content. Fine. So let me see how, inshallah, you all will perform with this animation tool. Fine. For example, the video that you all had, probably the video that a brother has done, Muhammad Imad. I want you to just make an in animation or give an animation to the text. It will look great with your text because you have created an excellent homework yesterday. I want you all to give an animation to your text. How to give animation to your text? Just move to the last of it, click on the plus button, and now increase its size. Okay, now increase its size. Click on the plus button and increase the size. Okay, but now I have a lower third, so it won't look good. But see here how you can perform. Just play it and see. The text that was smaller, it will be appearing in the larger manner. It will animate in this way. See, hope you all are finding it interesting. Come on, I want you all to do it. I want you all to do it to your homeworks. Come on, do it, inshallah. How did I do this? How did I do this? Hope you all have understood. How did I do this? If you have not understood, please type here. Please type, please let me know if you have not understood this. This is an important key. Just a simple key. You can work wonders with this key. The next text. What you have to do? The first is already assigned. Okay. For the end, you move to the end. You click on the plus button and you can just maximize this up. Let me just maximize this up. Okay. How muchever you want, you can maximize it and you just place it here. Fine. You will understand with the practice only, dear sisters. Okay. Practice it so much so that you will understand this better. If this is removed, that looks great. Okay. So come on, let me just show you how it's going out now. See here. Perhaps your test, your sadness. See, this is our product was not animating before. Now it's animating, right? Our text was not animating before. Now it's animating greatly. So this was a corner print is not looking good. So let me just reset it all for everything. How I should reset it all? Just go to the corner print and reset it all. We do not want corner print without the lower third. Okay. If you do not have corner print, so I told you, do not worry. You just reset it all. Without this, it looks great. Fine. Let me just play it now. The animation probably is gone. No, it's not gone. See how beautiful it looks. Yeah, sadness. Okay, hope you all finding it interesting. Did you all find it interesting? Do it with your own stuffs, dear sisters and brothers. I want you all to do it, make great content with this. Wait, I'll just maximize the screen and show you how it looks. This is giving an overall animation to your video, to your text that is perhaps your test. Perhaps your sadness. Go towards the end or somewhere in the middle of the video or something like that. Increase its size and see how you're gonna go with it. Fine. Hope you all understanding it well. Is it going great with you all? If you want to move this text anywhere, you can just move it. Okay. If you want to move it towards the down, we can move it and see. Okay. Now please type yes if you all have understood. I need How many students are here? I need 16. Yes, please. Bismillah. Let's start. Come on, type yes if you all have understood. Yes. Alhamdulillah. Yes. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Any more? Alhamdulillah. So this is a great technique that you all can import in your own videos, inshallah. So this is the thing that I wanted to teach you all. You can also do it with the text that you want. For example, I want to write a text for the breaking news content. Do you see in the TV or something like that, television or something like that? They keep your text moving throughout the video. For example, keep the breaking news moving throughout the video. So how do they do is they make use of this thing. For example, in the previous students have done so much stuff out of it. I'll just show you some of it, inshallah, if it is available. Okay, this is not having this one. Okay, this was the previous students' work. Let me see if there is something like stuff. Okay, this one will work great with the animation stuff, dear sister, with the this one. For example, I'll show you my work. Okay, I'll show you my work, what I did with this. Fine, just see here, dear sisters and brothers. See, I have animated my pic side, the pic that was there, the flyer that was there inside this green screen. This is the animation that I have given for the photo. Can you all just see how I have created the content with this animation thing? Is it looking great? You all will be able to do more better than this. You all will be able to do more better stuff than this. This was a business promo video that I created for some of the supermarket or something like that. They wanted to make me, they wanted a video edited for their promotion. So this was a video that I had created. So all of this stuff looks great, dear sister. This is not the green. It is nothing but the green screen that I had used, and I just created a beautiful content out of it. Okay, so you all can make such excellent contents, inshallah. So see some of the videos that were created. Can you all just try to create this? Yes, you all can give it a try, right? Okay. This was the business promo videos that I had created. Let me show you some more stuff that I have created. Okay. Everything on the reminder channel, all of the videos that are edited there, it's by it's edited by media sisters and brothers, fine? All of the stuff. Alhamdulillah. So, and I have created some of the wedding invitation videos as well. You can just check this out. Okay, inshallah, in the special training sessions, you will be trained to create all of the stuffs, wedding invitation stuffs, and more, inshallah, in upcoming 6 days, inshallah. I want you all to just attend all of the sessions and, inshallah, grab most of it, inshallah. So, with this, inshallah, we're going to end today's session. And from tomorrow, you all will be having a special training. What is this? In training, what we do is we just supply you with the videos and we are editing along with me. I'm going to edit along with you, fine? We are going to edit together, and after the class you are just going to submit me the entire copy of it as a homework, fine? That's it, inshallah. You will be editing it along with me. And also one more thing, dear sisters and brothers, and tomorrow is the day where we are going to start off with the editing afzalul zikr, what we say, afzalul kalam, the Quranic recitation videos, the Quranic tilawa videos, right? What can be more exciting than creating the content that is the best of the contents, right? The Quranic tilawa videos are the best of the content that has been ever created, isn't it? The Quran is the best of the books out of any of the book, right? It is the best of the speech, best of the kalam, what we say, alhamdulillah. If we are getting that chance to do, isn't it like, do you all not feel blessed to do this work, inshallah? Okay, alhamdulillah. Inshallah, we are going to start off with the Quranic recitation video tomorrow, and inshallah I'll supply you with the videos, with the audios, and inshallah you can edit with your own audios. I will teach you how to source up the audios, how to source the PNGs of the Quranic PNGs, the Quranic what we say, Quranic ayahs. From where are you going to get it? Inshallah, we are going to do it in the class itself. Okay, so I want you all to be ready with the right intentions, and I want you all to be, inshallah, with high spirit to do something for the sake of Allah, so that it will be watched by the world, inshallah, so that Allah will make that content a source of hidayah for someone out there, inshallah. The content that I have created, for example, it's put on the reminder and stuff. I probably took it 15 minutes or at least half an hour to create one video. Now when I go and see there, I have lots of audience, lots of comments telling this was the thing that turned me towards the Islam or something like that. Won't you find it like blessed thing to do it, right? You all have to do it with the right intention, dear sisters and brothers, inshallah. That will be a source of and a means of sadqa jariyah to you all, and also a means of great reward to you all, right? So with the spirit of doing it, yes, subhanallah, I memorized Surah Al-Mulk through reminder after reminder. Alhamdulillah, all of the videos that were edited, it was edited using the KINEMASTER, dear sister, okay? Probably you had found out some video with the sister Asma Huda, the thing that ayah by ayah, right? That it was edited by the KINEMASTER. Go to the image asset. This was the thing that was used in those videos. Please go and check the reminder channel. And all of most of the videos on the Nurul Quran, alhamdulillah, I'm an editor for the Nurul Quran as well. I'm an editor for the Your Sister in Islam as well. I'm an editor for Al Quran Hiyati as well. So it's not just to tell you what I'm doing. I'm just telling you what stuffs I have created, so that you all will know that you are learning from a professional video editor. Fine, inshallah. So this is the channels that I've created for the sister Aljuman Abdullah. These are the videos that I have made for them, alhamdulillah. So I want you all to create the excellent stuffs, inshallah, in the future. Fine. So inshallah, you all will be able to do it. But for example, if you're gonna create for the professionally making it, for example, something like this stuff and all, you have to use multiple apps. For example, this intro was created with another app, fine. So just to make but KineMaster will be the base for you all, okay? KineMaster app will be the base for you. You can just create an excellent content with your smartphones. Take it from me, all of the videos from the on the reminder, most of the videos on the Nurul Quran that I do for them are edited using this smartphone, using this KineMaster application, okay? I have tried it out with most of the applications, but alhamdulillah, this even I got the keys to the Filmora app and Adobe Premiere Pro app, but I did not prefer going there, because the video editing with your cell phones is far more easier and far more better than what I say is the something other apps, okay? So alhamdulillah, with the spirit of learning more and grasping more, I want you all to just attend the next sessions, inshallah, next 6 training sessions. I want you all to rectify your intentions and start with the name of Allah, and inshallah we're going to start off with the editing the afzalul zikr, inshallah, afzalul kalam, that we say the best of the best of the best speech, inshallah. We're going to start off with tomorrow's class. I want you all to be present there, inshallah. So with this spirit of learning more, with this spirit of doing more, doing something for the sake of Allah, inshallah, let's just sign off today, and inshallah we're going to start with the tomorrow's session with the special training sessions, inshallah. I'll supply you all. I have sent you all with the all the links of the background audios as well as the background videos, right? Background audios, it was excellent copy. It was probably given to me by Attawabi Nedman. So it's Sareb who had given me probably. So it has all of this stuff like for the nasheeds and more. If there is some music content, please do not download it, okay? It just downloads the content that is music free, fine. So please try creating the halal content only, inshallah. Let this be a means of sadqa jariyah, please, inshallah, dear sisters and brothers. Let's not make this evidence against us on the day of judgment, okay? So inshallah, be very choosy, be very picky with your content that you're creating, inshallah. So alhamdulillah, with the spirit of learning more, with the spirit of doing something for the sake of Allah, we're going to sign off now, inshallah. We're just going to start off with the tomorrow's session, hoping that you all will be present in tomorrow's class, okay? Jazakumullahu khairan kaseera. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear brothers and sisters, yeah.